Now you can drive your summer Twizy in the winter as well. The doors are fabricated using plexiglass. The door is attached in a similar way as a normal Twizy. This makes opening and closing of the door an easy task. The door closes tight to the frame, which gives very little wind resistance. The left door opens in a similar way as on a Twizy, meaning you fold it upwards. The right door, we leave it winter closed. The cold winter temperature is not a problem because the Monaco doors are keeping us safe from the wind. Do you have any queries? Please contact us. We are located in Gothenburg, Sweden.